So here I've got some coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and tea tree oil. I'm also using a spray bottle and a little bowl right there. So the first thing you're gonna do is take the baking soda and sprinkle some in the bowl. Then you're gonna take your apple cider vinegar, pour that in there and it like bubbles. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and wet my hair and parted it down the middle. What I do next is I just take the shampoo in the bowl and I'll just start to put it onto my scalp like so. And really, when you wash your hair, you're not supposed to put shampoo on your actual hair. It's really supposed to cleanse your scalp. So it's really not meant for the actual strands of hair. And apple cider vinegar is good for lifting the dirt off the scalp. That's why you see it in a lot of hair care routines. Because it's a lifter of dirt. I also make sure I put a towel down just because it'll seep from your scalp if you're not careful. And I just put this all the way down the middle of my hair. And in the back, make sure I rub it on the back of my scalp. Like I said, I only do this when I run out of shampoo, but I actually like it better than using the harsh shampoos nowadays because lots of stuff will have sulfate in it and you won't know. So I like to stick with stuff I know the ingredients of, and this is perfect for that. And it's simple. Stuff with very simple ingredients, you know it's good because it's not lots of chemicals. This is literally 2 ingredients, so you know it's not going to be harsh on your hair. And then just rub it into my scalp. And I'm gonna hop in the shower, rinse it out, and then I'll show you guys how you use the conditioner. Okay guys, now I'm gonna take my coconut oil and my tea tree oil for the conditioner. And what I do with the tea tree oil is I just put it right along my scalp. Tea tree oil is amazing. It helps kill bacteria and it just leaves your scalp feeling really refreshed. And then I'm just gonna take my coconut oil here and put it all along. It's melted, so it's gonna be a little messy, but I'm gonna put it all over the strands of my hair. So I just conditioned my hair. I used coconut oil on my hair and my scalp, and I used the tea tree oil just strictly on my scalp. Now I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna go in just doing a regular wash and go routine. And yeah, that's basically it. It's super simple, super easy, stuff that you probably have around the house. If not, you can go grab baking soda and apple cider vinegar at the grocery store. You'll need it for other things around the house anyway. So this is my DIY. Whenever I run out of shampoo and conditioner, I just use the apple cider vinegar, the baking soda, mix it together in a bowl. And for conditioner, I use coconut oil and tea tree oil, and my hair feels great. It feels super moisturized. It feels clean, and yeah, it really works. And you just, it's like, well, I usually wash my hair like once a week, so I'll do this once a week and I'll be totally fine. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.